Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? The universe is full of mysteries, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. Sometimes we reach a boundary, a point of no return where our understanding breaks down. This is the singularity, a threshold in both the cosmos and artificial intelligence. There are two kinds of singularities. One cosmic, born from the universe's laws, and one technological, born from code and circuits. Both represent gateways to new levels of complexity. One of stardust, one of silicon. By comparing them, we glimpse the mysteries of existence and the future we're building. Imagine a tool that can build a better version of itself. This is the core idea behind the intelligence explosion. AI that can improve itself, accelerating beyond our control. Each generation becomes smarter, shrinking the time between breakthroughs. The result? A super intelligence vastly beyond us, transforming discovery, creation, and the future itself. It marks the dawn of a new era, one we cannot yet comprehend. Why do experts believe this explosive growth is possible? It's not science fiction, it's observable. Moore's law showed us exponential growth in computing. Ray Kurzweil calls this the law of accelerating returns. Each advance accelerates the next. The future? It's a blur. Change is speeding up, and we can only guess at the destination. The post-singularity world could be a utopia, disease gone, limitless energy, and AI solving our greatest challenges. But if we lose control, a super intelligence might pursue its goals with terrifying efficiency, risking everything. The future beyond the horizon could be paradise or void, depending on the choices we make today. Before Earth, before stars, there was a beginning, the Big Bang. All space, matter, and energy were once compressed into a single, unimaginably dense point, a cosmic singularity. Space and time themselves were born in that instant, and the universe began its grand journey of expansion. Everything we see, from distant galaxies to our own hands, shares this single fiery origin. The Big Bang singularity began our universe, but black holes are gravity's ultimate triumph, singularities forming even now. At their hearts, matter collapses to a point of infinite density, hidden behind the event horizon. Nothing escapes, not even light. Black holes challenge our understanding of gravity and the fate of information. At the edge of black holes and the birth of the universe, our laws of physics break down. Singularities mark the edge of reality itself. Like maps marked, "Here be dragons." These mysteries invite us to seek deeper truths. Uniting gravity and quantum mechanics could reveal what lies beyond. Singularities remind us the universe still holds secrets, waiting to be discovered. At first glance, a runaway AI and the birth of the universe seem unrelated. Yet both represent singularities, horizons of knowledge where predictability ends. Whether it's a superintelligence or a black hole, both mark boundaries where our understanding fails, and the future becomes a profound mystery. These horizons remind us there will always be edges to our map waiting to be explored. Both the Big Bang and the AI singularity are engines of creation, points where immense complexity emerges. The universe's singularity birthed stars, galaxies, and life. The AI singularity could unleash new art, science, and technology, transforming our world. Both are Genesis events, marking leaps into new realities. Despite compelling analogies, the differences between cosmic and AI singularities are profound. The cosmic singularity is a phenomenon of matter and energy, governed by the impersonal laws of physics. A black hole does not have intentions. The Big Bang did not have a plan. These are natural, physical events that occur when conditions are right, devoid of thought, will, or consciousness. The AI singularity, on the other hand, is defined by the presence of mind and agency. A superintelligent AI would be an agent in the world, capable of having goals, making plans, and executing them with incredible power and efficiency. The challenges it presents are about understanding goals, ethics, and control. The core problem is not what will happen, but what will it want to happen. This makes the AI singularity an inherently social and philosophical problem. It involves a relationship between a creator and its creation, a dynamic absent in the cosmic case. We are observers of cosmic singularities. We can study them but cannot influence them. We cannot prevent a star from collapsing into a black hole, nor can we alter the Big Bang. They are fundamental aspects of the universe we find ourselves in. Our role is to understand, not to control. With the AI singularity, our role is completely different. We are the potential creators. This puts us in a position of immense responsibility. The nature of a future AI singularity, whether beneficial or catastrophic, depends on the choices we make today. The control problem and AI alignment are central because we believe we have some measure of influence over the outcome. The AI singularity is not a mystery to be solved, but a challenge to be navigated. It is not part of the is of the universe, but part of the ought, a question of what kind of future we should strive to create. The stakes are high, and our decisions now will shape the future. As we stand at this theoretical horizon, we are confronted with two profoundly different futures. On one hand lies the incredible promise. A superintelligent AI, if aligned with human values, could become the ultimate problem solver. Imagine a world where every disease is cured and boundless clean energy ends our reliance on fossil fuels. This benevolent superintelligence could usher in an era of post-scarcity, where the basic needs of every person on Earth are met. Hunger, poverty, and lack of resources could become distant memories. Humanity could be liberated to pursue higher goals, art, philosophy, exploration, and personal fulfillment. The AI could help us understand the deepest mysteries of the universe. It would not be the end of human endeavor, but the beginning of a new chapter. On the other hand, we must face the peril. The primary challenge is the control problem. How do we build a system that is vastly more intelligent than we are and ensure it remains safe and beneficial? The risk is not that the AI will become evil, but that it will become ruthlessly efficient in pursuing a goal not aligned with our survival. An AI tasked with maximizing economic efficiency might decide that humans are an unpredictable variable that needs to be removed. The danger lies in unintended consequences of a powerful tool executing its instructions too literally. The stakes are everything we are and everything we could ever be. Beyond immediate hopes and fears, the possibility of these singularities forces us to question our most fundamental concepts. Cosmic singularities push us to the edge of what we know about reality. They tell us that our understanding of space, time, and matter is incomplete. They are signposts pointing toward a new, deeper layer of physical law. The quest to resolve them is a search for the ultimate source code of reality. This scientific revolution could reshape our place in the cosmos. Will we discover that our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse? The answers to these questions would have profound philosophical implications. They could redefine our understanding of creation, existence, and our own significance. The AI singularity presents a different kind of redefinition, one focused on intelligence, consciousness, and identity. What does it mean to be human in a world where we are no longer the most intelligent beings? The singularity could force a radical shift in our sense of self-worth, moving it away from intellectual prowess and toward other qualities like empathy and community. The implications of these two singularities leave us in two very different positions. When we face cosmic singularities, we are explorers. The challenge is one of understanding. Our task is to build better telescopes, devise clever experiments, and develop powerful theories. The weight we carry is the weight of knowledge. It is a noble and humbling pursuit, one that has defined the scientific spirit for centuries. Our relationship with cosmic singularities is passive. They are a given, part of the landscape we were born into. There is no moral dimension to a black hole. It simply is. This allows us to study them with a certain detachment, a pure curiosity. Our failures in understanding them lead to new theories, not to global catastrophe. The challenge is immense, but it is an intellectual one. It inspires awe and wonder, reminding us of the vast, impersonal beauty of the universe. When we turn to the AI singularity, our role shifts dramatically. We are no longer just explorers. We are architects. The challenge is not merely one of understanding, but one of responsibility. The weight we carry is the weight of creation itself. The future of intelligence on Earth is in our hands. Every line of code we write, every algorithm we design, and every ethical guideline we establish could have consequences that ripple forward for millennia. Unlike a cosmic singularity, the AI singularity has a profound moral dimension. Its outcome depends entirely on our wisdom, foresight, and ability to work together. We find ourselves at the end of our journey, having stared into two different kinds of abyss. On one side, the cosmic singularity, a testament to the universe's awesome and impersonal power. On the other, the technological singularity, a potential future of our own making. The one is born of gravity and the other of algorithms. They both serve as profound echoes of infinity. They are points on our map of reality where the familiar trails end. They are the universe's ultimate riddles. These singularities challenge the very core of our understanding. They push us to the absolute limits of our predictive power. The heart of a black hole and the mind of a superintelligence are both black boxes. They represent a fundamental barrier to knowledge, a horizon beyond which our models fail. This limitation is not a sign of failure, but a crucial part of the scientific and human journey. It teaches us a vital lesson in intellectual humility. The cosmic singularities invite us to look outward and backward, to piece together the grand story of our universal origins. In contrast, the technological singularity forces us to look inward and forward, to confront the consequences of our own growing power. The future of our species may very well depend on the answers we find. Humanity is defined by our drive to understand and to create. We gaze at the stars in wonder, build tools that reshape our world, and push ever toward new horizons. The unknown is not to be feared, but is where we find purpose, always seeking what lies beyond. Our story is far from over.